Did you know the Gulf is more than just stunning coastlines and shimmering cities? Every year, it becomes a crucial stopover for millions of migratory birds on one of the world's most epic journeys. Imagine tiny songbirds, majestic eagles, and flocks of flamingos traveling thousands of kilometers from Europe and Asia, all seeking refuge in the Gulf's rich wetlands and mangroves. They come here to rest and refuel before continuing their incredible flight to Africa. It's a breathtaking natural spectacle, a testament to endurance and the hidden wonders of this region. Next time you look up at the sky, you might just witness a traveler who has seen more of the world than most of us ever will. Isn't nature just incredible? If you found this fascinating, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing stories from our planet.